Hello, it's Crafty Rhea, and welcome to another video. If you watched my second BB Craft jewelry video that I posted the other day, you'll know why I'm here. If you watched it all the way to the end, that is. It's time for the secret giveaway. So I have the gold colored earrings that I made, and I told you at the end of the video that if you were interested in winning these, then you would leave me a comment with the word flower in them. So today I am back to draw the winner. And here we go. I have the app on my phone. I put the URL for that video, and I told it to filter the comments based on a specific text, which is the word flower. And I will tell you the rules of this giveaway. It is you must be 18 years of age or older, be a visible subscriber to my channel, and have watched that video all the way to the end and left me a comment with the word flower. And also have a U.S. mailing address. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and click Get YouTube Comments. There are 13 unique comments, and we will hit the start button. And we'll see who the winner is. The winner is Allison King. And Allison said, "Wow, Rhea, such pretty flower earrings. Cubic zirconia sparkle like diamonds. Love these." And these do really sparkle. They look so pretty. They look like an expensive pair of earrings. So congratulations, Allison. I am so happy you are the winner. And what I will do is give you until Tuesday, October 27th, to send me an email with your name and address. And my email is tiggeria@gmail.com, tiggeria@gmail.com. I'll link that below so you can just click on it and send me an email with your name and address, and I will get these out to you in the mail as soon as possible. Please contact me by the end of day Tuesday, October 27th. Thank you everyone for watching, and I always do appreciate all of you. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do so you don't miss the next giveaway. And be sure to watch my videos all the way through, because sometimes I hide little secret giveaways in them. Congratulations, Allison. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.